Anthony Grasso here, bringing you financial news you can use. I am a former Wall Street stockbroker that has worked for one of the largest financial firms on the market back in 2007, 2008, during that market crisis that we had, the financial crisis. And I'm here to give you my analysis of the Tesla stock going into 2021 and beyond. In this video, I will give you my recommendations if you should buy, hold, or sell Tesla. But please, first, see my legal disclaimer in my description below. I will first go over where Tesla is right now, go into the competition, earnings per share, and growth analysis. So let's get right into it. Let's bring up what Tesla is doing at the S&P 500 today. Okay, so it took a huge nosedive today on its first day on the market. What is Musk doing? And let's find out. So there's currently a lot of volatility, and my recommendations will be at the end of the video. Now, Elon Musk has defied huge odds and consistently beat expectations since taking the helm of the electric vehicle manufacturer back in 2008. Yet again, he has better than expected third quarter earnings report and acceptance to the S&P 500. Now, is Tesla stock a buy, hold, or sell? We'll get in that at the end of the video. I will and give you my Anthony score. So what's going on with Tesla right now? So Tesla said it expects to hit full year deliveries of about 500,000 vehicles. Now, to meet this goal, it would have to deliver 181,000 vehicles in the fourth quarter versus 140,000 vehicles in the third quarter. On December 1st, that was widely reported. Musk said Tesla needs to control costs better to achieve future profits already baked into the stock price. Now, Musk said, when looking at our actual profitability, it is very low, around 1% for the past year. Investors are giving us a lot of credit for future profits, but if at any point they conclude that's not going to happen, our stock will immediately get crushed like a sofa under a sledgehammer. So that Musk is saying, hey, we're going to have risk here going into 2021. Tesla stock has been added to the S&P 500 today, and this has sparked a flurry of funding trades in Tesla stock, and it just got hammered. Actively managed investment funds that typically try to beat the S&P 500 probably will buy more Tesla shares too. These types of funds manage trillions of dollars in assets. So what is Tesla trying to do right now? It has taken a massive expansion of manufacturing. Musk wants to eventually build 20 million electric vehicles a year over the next decade, which is more than double the current production of other auto-making giants. So it's now on a mission to rapidly expand manufacturing capabilities. Tesla took a huge step with its third manufacturing plant, now underway near Berlin. That plant is expected to be completed in March 2021, where it will produce the Model Y. In July, Musk confirmed that its fourth manufacturing plant would be built near Austin, Texas, no longer California. He's leaving California like everybody else is. That factory will be Tesla's largest, built on a 2,000-acre chunk of land. It will produce the Cybertruck and its big rig truck called Semi, as well as the Model Y and Model 3. Now, Tesla recently said Cybertruck deliveries won't begin until early 2022, later than official targets for late 2021 launch. Tesla said in an email to Cybertruck reservation holders that the single motor configuration is currently scheduled to begin production in the late 2022, delivery projected to take place in early 2023. Musk has also hinted that the Cybertruck needs future battery improvements. So with the Cybertruck, he definitely has a lot of development to make sure that it is a hit when it comes out. Now, the list of Tesla competition is growing. Well, I will get into my thought of the competition after I explain who the competitors are. So let's get into the competition. So they're going to be launching cars in Germany. It will go head-to-head with electric vehicles established by the Volkswagen Group, BMW, the Mercedes division, the Daimler AG. Some say it will be a tough battle. I don't, but I'll get into that, as all three car companies have reputations for quality cars. Yes, that's right. All three of them, really good quality cars. And the other series competitors include Ford Motors, Mustang Mach-E, and I-Pace from Tata Motors Jaguar unit, and the Audi e-tron. Audi is owned by Volkswagen. Volkswagen's Porsche arm also has the Taycan. Now, Tesla also faces tough competition in China. The rivals in China include Xpeng Motors, backed by e-commerce giant. Other competitors include Nio and Li Auto. Now, and as Tesla expands manufacturing capacity in Shanghai to begin producing the Model Y crossover, it also recently raised about $5 billion in its third stock offering of the year. Tesla's locally made Model 3 sedan was the best selling electric car in China last month, the second best. Now, despite all the growing competition, Musk has maintained a high level of confidence. I do too, and I'll get into why. He said, quote, "We're getting way better at making cars," he said in the quarterly conference call. You can see that in Giga Shanghai. You'll see that even more in Berlin. Fundamental architecture of Model Y will be different in Berlin, fundamentally more efficient. About 3 years from now, Musk said in September, "We're confident we can make a very compelling $25,000 electric vehicle that's also fully autonomous," Musk said. He said Tesla can achieve 54% gain in driving range. In addition, it also had targets about a 56% reduction in cost per kilowatt hour. Now, my thoughts on the competition: where is the infrastructure for the other car companies? The infrastructure to charge these cars? Is the competition going to build charging stations all over the world? I haven't seen a single BMW or Volkswagen charging station in the United States. I'm in Florida, so if there are any, please comment down below. I have not seen one. Now, my thought is the other car companies right now, they're luxury electronic vehicles. And Tesla is becoming the practical electronic vehicle for everybody. You can map out. I was in my buddy's Tesla, and I was like, okay, well, you want to get here, Florida to California. What are you going to do? He was like, well, I just put it in my map, and it tells me every charging station on the way. I'm like, okay, well, that's awesome infrastructure. I don't think you can do that with a BMW or a Volkswagen right now. Or where are they going to put their infrastructure? They've basically taken over. And I keep sticking on that point. Infrastructure for your electric vehicles. Everybody else has lagged behind. And now the Tesla right now, so let's get into the composite rating. The IBD stock checkup tool shows that Tesla has a best possible IBD composite rating of 99 out of 100. This rating means Tesla stock currently outperforms 99% of all stocks in terms of the most important fundamental and technical stock picking criteria. Now let's examine the fundamentals now. So the current quarter earnings per share is 92 cents, with my projection of fourth quarter of 2020 to be around 92 cents as well, and the first quarter of 2021 to be reduced around 70 cents per share because of what they're doing. My 2021 forecast will be an astounding $3.70 per share earnings by the end of 2021. That is my projection right now, December 21st, 2020. You can hold me to it for next year, 12 months from now. Definitely check me on that. And now let's go into sales right now. Fourth quarter sales should be around 9.9 billion, and quarter one 2021 should be around 10.4 billion. Gross sales for 2020 will probably end around 32.4 billion, with a projected growth in 2021, my projection, to around 45.7 billion. So that's, to me, I'm projecting that. A lot of other analysts have said the exact same thing. So I feel that Tesla will be doing great in 2021. So as of December 21st, what is my current recommendation for buy, hold, and sell? My recommendation to everyone out there is if you currently hold stock in Tesla, you should hold it. You should not sell it. You should just hold it. Go through that volatility in the next month. Watch for volatility over the next quarter, I would say. Now that it's hit the S&P 500. Now, if you're thinking about buying Tesla and you don't own Tesla right now, I would hold out for that month and then buy when the volatility stabilizes. And my recommendation is a long position. I'm not a day trader here. I believe in the long position with Tesla. And I do not feel at this moment any of the competitors will be able to outperform Tesla in 2021 and beyond. All right, let's bring it back here. So that is my recommendation, guys. If you like this video, smash that like button down below. And if you want more daily stock updates on my recommendations and my analysis of stocks, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell to get notified of the daily stock picks. So I'll check you out in the next stock video and market analysis. Ciao.